Asohiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. À ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ gbóhùn wa. Torí lọ́la kó fàyà kùn.
In today's video, I want to share with you how to use these two powerful ingredients. A powerful ingredient that can stop promise and fail in your life. I think you are with me. And this particular recipe is not something that you can just use it anyhow. No. Because it's a soup, and you are going to bait this soup while sitting on the stool. Are you with me? Or you sit on something when you are baiting it. To allow your destiny helper, whosoever that God sent to you to help you, that person is not going to promise you and fail you. I think you are with me. By the grace of Almighty God, if you follow the simple instruction given to you, you are coming here to share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. So, what are the materials? The first one is jatropha leaf, the red one. Jatropha leaf. I think you can see it. And the second one is obobak, ekpo obo. Those are the two ingredients you want to use for this particular assignment. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babewinje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use these two ingredients to deal with bad luck and to get rid of promise and fail. And whosoever that God sent to you to help you, that person will not promise and fail you by the grace of Almighty God. That person will put you in his mind, and your destiny helper will surely locate you. And you will also locate your destiny helper by the grace of Almighty God. So this obobak ekwobo, you are going to powder it together with the leaf of this the jatropha leaf in Yoruba language. Pound it together with soap. Then after that, put the soap in a plastic rubber. Put the soap in a plastic rubber. Every time, anytime that you want to bathe this soap, you can bathe it in the morning or at night before you sleep. Take this soap, take it to your bedroom, I think you are with me. With white candle, off the light in your bedroom. If you want to bathe it in the morning, there's no need to on the light, but make sure that you light the candle. You can keep the candle anywhere in your bedroom. Light the candle. Then use this soap. You bathe it while you are sitting down. You can sit on the floor. You can take something like a stool, small stool, put it in your bedroom, and you sit on it. Bathe this soap. It doesn't have any side effects. By the grace of Almighty God. And after you bathe, after you throw it the bathing, off the light, the candle light. If you want to bathe it in night before you sleep, off the electric light, light the candle. You understand? So when you still have this soap and the candle is already finished, get another white candle, light it. You must light candle before you bathe it. If you made a mistake, maybe you forget to light the candle, it doesn't have any side effects. But you must light candle before you bathe it. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow my instruction. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. If you love this video, please help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè Táyémọ̀sí Oúnjẹ. Ẹ̀rí lórí ètò yìí gbogbo wa náà la mọ̀ nǹkan tí a gbé dání tá a máa ń sọ. A máa ń bára sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí ewé àtẹ̀gbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké tí ò pani lára. Èyí tá a máa wá fún wa ní òní ni tí àwọn èèyàn tí olóore èèyàn fi gbàgbé èèyàn tí wọn sì ní mọ̀ sí àdéhùn fún èèyàn kán má mọ̀ ṣẹ. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ni wọ́n ti ṣe àdéhùn fún tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ẹni bí ò jẹ́ kí wọ́n rí àdéhùn náà ṣe fún ẹ. Gbogbo ohun tó bá ti jẹ́ tiẹ̀ òní ò mọ̀ ni Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀. Èyí tí ò bá ti jẹ́ tiẹ̀ gbàgbé. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a bá ń lo iṣẹ́ yìí, orí ìjókòó la ti máa ń lò. Ewé làpálàpá pupa àti epo ọ̀bọ̀ òun la máa gún. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gún pọ̀ mọ́ṣẹ́. Tó bá nídìí ká fomi po, ẹ fomi po, ẹ kó sínú ike, ẹ wá kándù funfun kan. Gbogbo ìgbàkígbà tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ wẹ ọṣẹ yìí, bóyá àárọ̀ ni o tàbálẹ́, ẹ paná ìjọba, ẹ tanná kándù, ẹ jókòó lórí àpótí tàbí nínú bedroom yín, ẹ wẹ ọṣẹ yìí. Gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó ṣe yín láàánú bó wà lórí ìjókòó, arántí yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Tá bá ti wẹ ọṣẹ yìí tán, ẹ jẹ́ ká paná kándù. Tó bá yẹ pé ọṣẹ yìí sì kù, kándù ti jó tán, ẹ jẹ́ ara kándù míì ká tún máa lò lọ. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ èèyàn tèmi. Èmi tí ń tòótọ́ o, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè. Ó dàbọ̀.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba.